Are you kidding? Uri kwikinira. Are you kidding? I am not kidding. I'm very serious. Ntabwo ndi gukina, nta migaryo ndimo. I am not kidding. I am serious.
Hello folks, this is Learn English with Bonaj. Aha ni kuri Iga Icyongereza na Bonaj. Today we are going to learn 200 English and Kinyarwanda sentences. Interuro 200 z'Icyongereza ndetse n'Ikinyarwanda. I want you to know that if you need more sentences, ubaye ukeneye interuro zisumbuyeho zirenze 200, dufite igitabo cy'interuro 5000 z'Icyongereza ndetse zisobanuye mu Kinyarwanda. This book can help you tremendously. Iki gitabo rwose cyagufasha ku buryo bukomeye. And if you need to learn with us, we can teach you wherever you are. Ukeneye kuba kwigana natwe aho waba uri hose twakwigisha. If you are in USA, Canada, Europe, or any part of the world and you feel like you want to learn with us, we can teach you via Zoom. Uri muri Amerika, muri Canada, muri Europe n'ahandi hose ku isi, ukaba wifuza kwigana natwe, turagukurikirana ibintu bikagenda neza, nawe ukavuga Icyongereza. Without further ado, let's dive into the lesson. Let's learn these sentences. Reka twige izi nteruro 200 z'Icyongereza ndetse zisobanuye mu Kinyarwanda. Let's do this.
You are very workaholic person. Uri umunyamurava. You are very workaholic person. Thank you for your time. Wakoze kubw'igihe cyawe. Thank you for your time. How much are the tickets? Amatike ni angahe? How much are the tickets? I am afraid there are no tickets left. Nta matike asigaye. I am afraid there are no tickets left. How long does the show last? Ibirori bimara igihe kingana iki? How long does the show last? The show lasts 2 hours. Ibirori bimara amasaha 2. The show lasts 2 hours. I would like a dozen roses. Nkeneye iduzeni y'indabo. I would like a dozen roses. Which flowers do you guys need? Mukeneye izihe ndabo? Which flowers do you guys need? Do not even think about it. Ntunabitekereze. Do not even think about it. Why are you angry with me? Kuki wandakariye? Why are you angry with me? I could swear to you. Nari nakurahirira. I could swear to you. Are you serious? Nta migaryo. Are you serious? Are you kidding? Uri kwikinira. Are you kidding? I am not kidding. I'm very serious. Ntabwo ndi gukina, nta migaryo ndimo. I am not kidding. I am serious. What is your job? Ukora iki? What is your job? I promise. Ndagusezeranyije. I promise. Can you wash my car? Ese wakoza imodoka yanjye? Can you wash my car? No parking here. Ntaho guparika hano. No parking here. Do you cook? Urateka. Do you cook? What do you want? Ushaka iki? What do you want? Do you want a package? Ushaka ako kubikamo. Do you want a package? What drinks are there? Hari ibihe binyobwa? What drinks are there? Do you have a paper? Mufite urusenda. Do you have a paper? Would you like some ketchup? Mukeneye ketchup. Would you like some ketchup? Would you like something to drink? Mukeneye icyo kunywa? Would you like something to drink? I want to see the menu. Shaka kureba ibyo mufite. I want to see the menu. Do you want a soup or salad with it? Ushaka isupu cyangwa ushaka salade? Do you want a soup or salad with it? Can you get me some water? Ese mwanzanira amazi? Can you get me some water? I'll tell you in a minute. Ndaza kukubwira bidatinze. I'll tell you in a minute. I am waiting for someone. Hari uwo ntegereje. I am waiting for someone. This fish is not fresh. Iyi fi imaze igihe irobwe. This fish is not fresh. Do you have a time? Hari igihe ufite? Do you have a time? Keep the change. Ayo kungarurira yagumane. Keep the change. Who's buying? Ninde uri kugura? Who's buying? What are you eating? Uri kurya iki? What are you eating? When will dinner be ready? Amafunguro y'umugoroba araboneka ryari? When will dinner be ready? What is your profession? Umwuga wawe ni uwuhe? What is your profession? What do you do? Ukora iki? What do you do? Where do you work? Ukora he? Where do you work? What's your date of birth? Wavutse ryari? What's your date of birth? Where are you from? Ukomoka he? Where are you from? When do you want to leave? Ushaka kugenda ryari? When do you want to leave? What do you do in the evening? Ukora iki nimugoroba? What do you do in the evening? Please lend me your phone last time. Ndagusabye ntiza telefone yawe bwa nyuma. Please lend me your phone last time. Do you live nearby here? Utuye hafi aha? Do you live nearby here? Could you tell me how they call this place? Ese wambwira uko aha hantu bahita? Could you tell me how they call this place?
Wait. Here with me, I have books. Mufitiye ibitabo. This is vocabulary book. Igitabo kirimo inyunguramagambo z'icyongereza ndetse n'ikinyarwanda. This is dictionary of English and Kinyarwanda. Niba mugiye kuvuga icyongereza amagambo akubana makeya, this is a book that can help you. Igitabo cyagufasha mu gihe uri kuvuga ntabwo ukeneye kuba uri gutekereza ijambo ugiye gukoresha. You have to keep speaking, and this is the book that will help you with that. Iki gitabo kizagufasha ibyo. Ikindi, niba uri umutangizi ukaba ushaka kuzamura urwego rwawe rw'icyongereza, this is Begin Smart to End Smart with more than 200 pages, pages zirenga 200. Harimo icyongereza ndetse gisobanuye mu kinyarwanda. 200 pages, harimo amasomo yibanze yose ku muntu ushaka gutangira ku icyongereza, ateguye neza ku buryo wumva ibyo uri kwiga ukabisobanukirwa. Iki gitabo niyo waba usanzwe uzi icyongereza ushaka kuvuga ngo reka nige icyongereza none nkihereye mu mizi, cyagufasha. And again, if you have a problem to describe the actions, niba ugira ikibazo cyo kubasobanurira ibikorwa uri gukora, dufite igitabo kirimo verbs, inshinga. Harimo regular verbs, inshinga zikurikiza amategeko, hakabamo irregular verbs, inshinga zidakurikiza amategeko, 12 tenses, ibihe 12 by'icyongereza, modal verbs. Iki gitabo cyagufasha ugashobora gusobanura ibikorwa biri kuba, ibikorwa byabaye, ibikorwa bizaba. Ukeneye kubasobanura ibikorwa, iki gitabo cyagufasha. Harimo inshinga, buri nshinga isobanuye mu kinyarwanda, ndetse tukaguha n'urugero kuri buri nshinga. This book can help you to describe the actions. Tukaba tugufite igitabo kirimo dialogs, ibiganiro. Iki gitabo kirimo dialogs, ibiganiro by'icyongereza ndetse bisobanuye no mu Kinyarwanda kuri topics zigiye zitandukanye, ku ngingo zigiye zitandukanye. Iki gitabo cyagufasha kuko iyo tuvuga dukoresha ibiganiro. Iki gitabo rero kirimo ibiganiro ndetse bisobanuye mu Cyongereza no mu Kinyarwanda. If you need one of our books, ubaye ukeneye kimwe muri ibi bitabo cyangwa se byose ukaba ubikeneye, watumenyesha kuri 0780 29 312. Let's continue the lesson.
I don't like such music. Imiziki nk'iyo ntabwo nyikunda. I don't like such music. Could you give me some time? Ese wampagahe? Could you give me some time? I forgot to bring my keys. Nibagiwe kuzana imfunguzo zanjye. I forgot to bring my keys. Please bring a glass of water now. Ihangane unzanire ikirahuri cy'amazi ubu. Please bring a glass of water now. He asked me to take him to the park. Yansabye ko mujyana kuri parike. He asked me to take him to the park. I'm fond of sweet things. Nkunda ibintu biryohereye. I'm fond of sweet things. He asked me to take him to the park. Yansabye ko mujyana kuri parike. He asked me to take him to the park. I'm fond of sweet things. Nkunda ibintu biryohereye. I'm fond of sweet things. What are you thinking right now? Uri gutekereza iki nonaha? What are you thinking right now? Which color do you like the most? Ni irihe bara ukunda cyane? Which color do you like the most? I have a lot of time to do the work. Mfite igihe gihagije cyo gukora akazi. I have a lot of time to do the work. Can you give me some more time, please? Ese wanyongera igihe? Can you give me some more time, please? He is always on time. Igihe cyose akorera ibintu ku gihe. He is always on time. She has a beautiful handwriting. She has a beautiful handwriting. Afite umukono mwiza. She has a beautiful handwriting. What do you study? Wiga ibiki? What do you study? Long time no see. Ni igihe kirekire tutabonana. Long time no see. When are we going to start the program? Gahunda turayitangira ryari? When are we going to start the program? We are not allowed to go out during the meeting. Ntabwo twemerewe gusohoka inama iri kuba. We are not allowed to go out during the meeting. Which place is a nice place for tourists to visit? Ahantu heza abakerarugendo basura ni he? Which place is a nice place for tourists to visit? What do you do in the weekend? Ukora iki muri weekend? What do you do in the weekend? You are welcome in our family. Urakaza mu muryango wacu. You are welcome in our family. We have a small yard. Dufite imbuga nto. We have a small yard. They came looking for you. Baje bagushaka. They came looking for you. Who is calling? Ninde uri guhamagara? Who is calling? Internet is a good source of information. Internet ni ahantu heza ho gushakira amakuru. Internet is a good source of information. When I see people fighting, I flee. Iyo mbonye abantu bari kurwana, ndahunga. When I see people fighting, I flee. Give me that chair. Mpa iyo ntebe. Give me that chair. We need 2 more plates, please. Dukeneye andi masahani abiri. We need 2 more plates, please. My father goes to work in his car. Papa ajya ku kazi mu modoka ye. My father goes to work in his car. Don't forget to turn off TV. Ntiwibagirwe kuzimya televiziyo. Don't forget to turn off TV. You have to get early tomorrow. Ejo ugomba kubyuka kare. You have to get early tomorrow. A big show is going to take place. Hagiye kuba ibirori bikomeye. A big show is going to take place. The prices are high nowadays. Iyi minsi ibiciro biri hejuru. The prices are high nowadays. Close the door when you get in. Niwinjira ufunga umuryango. Close the door when you get in.